Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daniel Koye. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Welcome! It's all about wigs, hair, and more fun, cool stuff. So make sure you subscribe. But today, I am going to be going over the differences between a bungee and a real hair tie. Here we are. We're going to dive right in. So I have more than just the two, all right? So I have basically 4 different types here. So I have a bungee. I don't know if you can, it's gonna match my skin. So we have a bungee that has the 2 hooks on each end, so you can hook it on and wrap it around 3 or 4 times and then hook it back into the hair. I know a lot of updo stylists love this. I'm still figuring it out. Still figuring it out. Yeah, just figuring that out. So, but I know people who love them. So, of course, I bought 100,000. And so we have them so that people use it. And then we have the good old elastic bands. These are my go-tos. This is what I always use. Just a heads up. Make sure you keep a mental inventory when you buy them, because the where they're connected can dry rot and they can come apart, or they can just break. You know, they just break. So always have extra. I'm sure you've heard about my bungee cord stories, how I didn't have any when Vanessa Williams wanted me to do an updo. I did not have one of these in my kit at all. So never again. Learn that real quick. So then they also have now bungee cords that have the bungees, or the hair ties, that have like the mesh around them to non-slip grip. You know, so that's like one thing too that is semi-nice. Once again, I like to match the hair color with the ponytail. I know on TV shows or television show movie that you do work with, if you're working for me, if they have blonde hair, you're using a blonde bungee. If they have brown hair, you're gonna use a brown one. If they have black hair, you're gonna use a black one. That's just my preference. It pulls me out when I see a blonde actress with a black pony. That's just me. But anyway, and now another fun one are the blacks. Guys, once again, they didn't send me anything. So this is all on my own accord. I do need to buy these because I do have to work with them. They are in my kit, so I had to buy them all. I love these. They come in all different colors. They have black, they have white, they have clear, and they have brown. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I'll get closer for you. So these are great too if they have a little bit smaller a ponytail and they can't really, you know, if you're gonna be twisting this like 8 or 9 times to go around a ponytail. So those are the differences. A little trick with this one, say it's too tight, you know, 3 is too tight to go around, like 1, 2, 3 is too tight for them, especially if they're going to be wearing it all day long. So a great little hack is you do it once, twist it twice or 3 times, and then go back around. All right? And another thing is that knot, make sure it's on the bottom. Yeah, so, and then it's tight enough, yet loose enough that they're not gonna get a headache all day. I know! Cute little trick. Yeah, learn that. Thank you, Ariel. Cool. And then we can go back to the bungees. So I see people work with them and I'm in awe. They hold it, they hick it, they wrap it around, and they hook it again, and it's fine. My first time with this, we got it in the trailer, did it, wrapped it around 3 times, boom, 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 hooked it. Got the set, poof. Pointless. So I think I have to work with them a little bit more and really get into it, but they're great to have. There are artists who do amazing things with this. But right now in the COVID world, I use these to move the band of the mask down so that I can cut their hair. So I always use it for something. So now they are crucial in my kit so that I can take it from around the ear. I can bring it down and hook it on that way. So then it's down here behind the back. So I can cut their hair, clean up their ears. Crazy, I know, right? What ponytail holder do you use? Do you use a Black's, nice small one? Do you use, oh, those scrunchy ones? I didn't even have one of those. Right, those. Ah! Do you use a bungee cord? Do you use ones that have some type of grip on it? Which ones do you use? So write in the comments below so I know. So, or if you have one that is like amazing, tell me. I want to know. You know I'd love to have all this information because knowledge is power. So let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have new content coming out every week. We are literally doing full-on production days so that we can give you as much information as humanly possible. Make sure you check out my books, Wigging Out and The Business Behind Wigs, so that you can get all the information you need to know, how to make a wig, how to front a wig, and how to put it actually into your business. And it's gonna go over how you can actually charge what you should be worth. So any questions, let me know, and make sure to subscribe and tell a friend. That'd be fun.